Assalamu alaikum students. With the name of Allah Almighty, today we will start our 5th and 6th worksheet. I hope you have done your previous work completely. So let's start it. The first question is use the conjunctions above to complete each sentence. What is basically conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins two words or phrases together. And the examples I have written in this column, that is and, but, or, yet, nor, for, so, because. These all are the examples, okay? And every word has different function, like use for to show the reason, use and to join sentences and that show a similar idea, use nor to introduce a further negative statement, use but to show contrast, use or to show a choice, use yet to join two ideas that are opposites, use so to join the result of something. Okay, so complete this sentence, these 8 sentences according to the correct conjunction. The next question, complete each sentence by changing the verb into future tense. Okay, now what will you do? You can complete these sentences by using will and shall with the verb simply. Then question number 3, complete the questions below with the question words in the box. Okay, these are the WH questions, okay, and you have to complete these 12 sentences by putting the correct word in these blanks, like who, what, when, where, how, why, how much, how many. These are the words. And who is basically is a person, what is a thing or an action, when is a time, where is a place, how, the way something is, and why is basically the reason. So complete these 12 sentences. Then question number 4, complete the sentences below with for or since. You have to complete these 8 sentences by using the word for or since. Okay, then question number 5, write a paragraph on my favorite pet. Question number 6, write an application for fee concession. Then question number 7, word sentences. The first one is performance, film, wonderful, homework, meal, mother. Question number 8, write 5 sentences using different verbs. What are basically verbs? Verbs shows action. So use any 5 words to complete the sentence, like eat, look, walk. These all are the examples of verbs. Then question number 9, write the story on greed is curse. Question number 10, write 5 prefixes and suffixes. What is basically prefix and what are suffixes? Prefix, a word part added in front of a base word to change the meaning, like for example, the word re again. In this word, re is the prefix and the word again, that is the base form. Re again is the example of prefix. And on the other hand, suffixes come after the root word, like colorful, wonderful. These are the examples of suffixes. So write 5 prefixes and suffixes in these blanks. Then moving towards our 6th worksheet, question number 1 is write the comparative and superlative degree. So complete this question. The first column comparative and the second is superlative. Okay, like the first is younger, and what is the comparative for younger? It would be younger and youngest by adding er and est in superlative degree. Okay, then question number 2, write the second and third form of the following verbs. The first one is buy. What would be the second form of buy? Bought, buy, bought. Ask, asked, asked. So now question number 3, rearrange these words to make a correct sentences. So simply just rearrange these sentences and write in the lines. Question number 4, write the definition of noun and pronoun using 5 examples of each. You have to write noun, you have to write the definition of noun and pronoun to complete this question. Okay, in question number 5, There are basically 4 to 5 terms I have written here, and just simply write the definition of these terms with suitable 2 examples, okay? Then moving towards our next question, question number 6. Supply the masculine gender. It's basically masculine feminine. Question number 7. Supply the correct possessive and objective pronouns. Okay. Objective and correct possessive and objective pronouns. Like the first one is I, and its possessive pronoun would be my, and objective would be me. I, my, me. And the second one is we, and its possessive would be our, and objective would be us. We, our, us. So it's very simple. Complete this question, and then moving towards our next question, that is question number 8. Write an essay on my country. Question number 9. Write a letter to mother about her health. And the last question is, read the passage, write the correct answer for each question. Okay, it's a comprehension basically. I have written here a paragraph. Just read this paragraph. It's very easy, and find out the answers of questions and write them into in these lines. Okay, that's all. Thank you.